What are the differences between Geneva and Mighty Networks? Both allow you to bring people together and build a community, but depending on your goals, you might prefer one over the other. Geneva helps you keep your groups, clubs, and communities organized and connected. It bills itself as the best group chat app, allowing your groups to more easily talk with each other. Mighty Networks is a cultural software platform that allows you to help people build relationships with each other on the path to results and transformation and build a business around it. In this video, we'll be comparing Geneva versus Mighty Networks in depth to help you figure out which would be a better fit for the type of community that you want to create. Let's get started. First, let's start with a quick tour so we can take a look at the community features of these platforms. With Geneva, your community is called a home. A home can have up to 200 rooms, and you can group rooms into categories. For each room that you create, you can set the privacy to open, where anyone can join, locked, where everyone can see the room but only people you add can join, and secret, where only people you add can join. You can choose up to 5 types of rooms. Chat rooms feel like a Discord or Slack channel where you can chat in real time with text, do threaded replies, send GIFs, attachments, and polls. Forum rooms are for longer form posts with rich formatting. In an audio room, your members can talk live with up to 99 people. Video rooms allow you to do simultaneous video chat with up to 16 people. And broadcast rooms are like streaming rooms, where up to 8 people can stream to thousands of viewers. When you open up Geneva, you'll see your activity feed, which will show replies and interactions to your post. Each member can create a profile with a picture, location, bio, and website. You can also do direct and group messaging. Lastly, Geneva is accessible through an iOS app, an Android app, web browser, and a Mac desktop app. And here's what Mighty Networks looks like. In a Mighty Network, spaces are your building blocks, and then you can group spaces into collections. The difference between Geneva's rooms and Mighty spaces is that instead of having to choose one type of space like a chat room or a forum room, each space you create can be customized with 8 different features. So you can have a space that has a chat, a feed with posts, as well as additional features. Here are all of the features that you can enable in each space. First, you can have a chat, which is similar to Geneva's chat room, where members can chat in real time through text and share images, attachments, and links. You can also enable a feed, which is similar to Geneva's forum room. This is where you and your members can share posts with rich formatting, as well as interactive polls and questions. And for each post, members can also like and comment. There's also a discovery feature where you can highlight and feature posts. This is great for helping your members find important content within each space. Next, if you're on Mighty's business plan, you can enable the table of contents feature, which allows you to build and sell courses, create lessons, have a course curriculum, and upload all kinds of content for each lesson. Geneva doesn't enable you to create courses. You can also have a single event, which is great if you want to create a space around a signature event, or you can enable an event series space where members can browse and RSVP to multiple events. Next, you can enable a member directory, which displays the profiles of the members that are a part of this space. Lastly, you can have a standalone web page, which is great if you'd like to include something like an introduction page, a page describing a new offering you want to sell, or anything that's more about delivering a single piece of content. All of these features are natively built into Mighty Networks, and for each space you create, you decide which of these features to turn on or off. You can have a space that only has one of these features or all of them. When it comes to privacy and access, you can set each space to be public, private, secret, paid, or even token gated. Similar to Geneva, members can create profiles with photos, a bio, a location, and external links. You can also do direct messaging and group messaging. Lastly, Mighty is accessible through an iOS app, an Android app, and web browser. Next, let's talk about payments. With Geneva, you can't natively do payments or charge for access to your community. It does, however, integrate with Zapier, so you could use something like Patreon or Shopify to charge for access or create memberships. What's natively built in is token gating, so you can gate access to rooms in your home based on members' token holdings. With Mighty Networks, you can charge and collect payments for access to communities, groups, courses, and create bundle combinations. You can also run individual or bundled annual or monthly subscriptions or charge a one-time fee. With Mighty, you can charge in 135 local currencies or token gate your community or the spaces within it. If you're building a Web3 community, token gating means using a native feature, not a bot, to check if a member's connected wallet has an NFT or a certain amount of tokens in it. Both Geneva and Mighty Networks allow you to token gate rooms or spaces within your community, but Mighty also allows you to token gate your entire community if you want. Mighty also supports more wallets than Geneva. Geneva only works with MetaMask, while Mighty works with MetaMask, Coinbase, and Wallet Connect. Now let's talk about events. Both Geneva and Mighty Networks have an events feature where you can collect RSVPs for both in-person and digital events. With Geneva, you can create live events using a video room. This is where you can hang out with up to 16 people at a time. You can also use broadcast rooms where up to 8 people can broadcast live to an audience of up to 5,000 people. For Mighty Networks, each space you create can have its own event calendar. So if you have a space for a cohort-based course, you can have an event calendar that only students of this course would be able to see. For live events, you can live stream natively to your entire community or in a specific space. You can also schedule a Zoom event through the Zoom integration, or you can paste a link to a live stream here. Next, let's talk about courses. Geneva does not have an online course feature. If you're on Mighty's business plan, you can create an unlimited number of courses and dedicated course communities. You can create a live cohort-based course, a content-only course, or build a community-based course that puts the emphasis on member challenges, events, and activity. Within your course, you can add all kinds of content types, including images, videos and media, and file attachments. You can also drip release course content. Now let's talk about customizing the look and feel of your community. With Geneva, you can edit your home's name, icon, description, and theme color. In a Mighty network, you have a lot more customization and flexibility when it comes to branding your community. First, you can adjust the colors, logo, and add imagery that makes your community feel really cohesive with your brand. You can also customize these settings for each space, so your signature course or private membership can have its own branding. For each space, you can rename everything. So if you want to call the chat a lounge, you can do that. You can also reorganize everything, and you can set which feature that members see first when they enter a space. So if you want to have the chat front and center, you could do that. Or events, same thing. All you have to do is drag and drop. You can also add custom links to the navigation bar, so you can add a link to an e-commerce store, a website, or your podcast. Mighty does integrate with Zapier as well, so you can connect and automate tasks with over 2,000 other applications like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Salesforce. And lastly, let's talk about pricing. Right now, Geneva is free, and you can have an unlimited number of members in your home. Mighty Networks has a free plan and 3 paid plans. When billed annually, the community plan is $33 a month, and the business plan is $99 a month. There's also Mighty Pro, which is like an enterprise plan that allows you to white label the whole experience and have your own branded app in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. All of Mighty's paid plans come with unlimited spaces, unlimited hosts and admins, and unlimited members. If you want to be able to create and sell courses, you have to be on the business plan, but from there, you'll be able to have an unlimited number of students, courses, instructors, moderators, and dedicated course communities. So which platform is best for you? Geneva seems like a great option for people who already know each other. It focuses on being the best group chat app for all kinds of social groups. So if you already have a group of people like friends or family, school clubs, or sports teams, and you're looking to keep the conversation going in an easy and fun way, Geneva could be a great solution. It feels like it's more about making it really easy for people who already know each other to hang out or get stuff done. On the other hand, Mighty Networks specializes in bringing people together who are united through a shared goal but don't necessarily know each other. With Mighty, you can post content to inspire your members. You could also build courses to help your members apply these ideas in their lives. All of these built-in features allow you and your members to share their motivations, perspectives, experiences, and daily practices as they work towards their goals. Mighty is also a platform that can grow and scale with you, allowing you to charge and create bundles for a variety of memberships, courses, content, or communities. So if you're building a business and brand around your community, Mighty Networks is the way to go. Now, if you want to learn more about building on Mighty, check out this video next.